Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 4 to the x is equal to 30, and we have to solve this equation for x. So first of all, we are seeing the x in the exponent. The common way for these kind of questions is that we're going to do the logarithm on each side of the equation, and from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have the log of a to the power of b, this b likes to go in the back of the log, so it will be b times log of a. So we're going to use that in here. Basically, we have log of 4 to the x is equal to log of 30, and there we go. We have the x in the back of the log of 4, and on the right side we have log of 30. So let's just try to simplify this a little bit more, and if we do that, we know we have our log of 4 in here, so x times log of 4 would be log of 2 squared. Same scenario in here that what we discussed in here, the 2 can go in the back. And for the log of 30, we know 30 is 6 times 5, so basically 5 times 6 we know is 2 times 3, 2 times 3. And here we can use one of the laws of the logarithm when we have the log of a times b times c. This will be equal to log of a plus log of b plus log of c. So we're going to use this one in here, and we're just going to write it down the way it is, and instead of this one, so the 2 can go in the back of the x, so we'll have 2x log of 2 is equal to log of 5 plus log of 2 plus log of 3. And here, in order to have the x alone on the left side of the equation, we can divide this by 2 times log of 2. And if we do that on the left side of the equation, we'll end up with only x, and on the right side we have log of 5 plus log of 2 plus log of 3 over 2 log of 2. So I'm just going to take out the 2, so this will be basically 1 divided by 2 times each of them. So we have log of 5 over log of 2 plus we have log of 2 over log of 2, which will be 1, and we have log of 3 over log of 2. So here let's go over another log of the logarithm. When we have log of a over log of b, this can be written as log base b of a, which is the case in these two. So basically we can write this down as our x will be 1 over 2. So in the first one we have log base 2 of 5 plus 1 plus log base 2 of 3. And this is going to be the final answer for this question if we want to write down our answer based on the log of 5, log of 2, and log of 3. And let me know if you have any other solutions to this one, and you guys can drop it in the comment that everybody can benefit from. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.